Traders, FX Pip Collector here. Today is Monday, September 9th, and I'm going to be analyzing the pound US dollar, starting on the monthly, working my way all the way down to the 1 hour time frame for the full top down analysis. So on the pound dollar monthly, I'm definitely still looking at this as either an expanding flat or a running flat. I'm definitely leaning towards expanding flat because I think it should go up and take out these highs. If it does decide to make a running flat, then likely it would turn at one of these lower Fibonacci levels, making a lower high. Either scenario, I think that it should continue the uptrend on shorter time frames. Going down to the weekly time frame is where I got my Fibonacci retracement on this last push up. We are definitely in a pullback right now, and I'm definitely not really thinking the pullback is over. I think it's going to make at least a 38-50% pullback before we actually do get another continuation of the uptrend, all subdivisions of this wave 3. So taking it down to the daily time frame. On the daily time frame, we had a little bit of a break of structure to the upside, and now we're heading back down. So I think it's actually very, very clear that this is a wave A. This move up right here, the lower high, is very likely a wave B. I think that we are already in a wave C, which I would expect it to go down to at least one of these three lower Fibonacci levels before we have that Fibonacci bounce and potentially the continuation of the uptrend. So let's keep all that in mind. Let's head down to the 4 hour time frame. On the 4 hour time frame, this seems like a very, very clear pattern. This is very obviously a downtrend over here, wave A. I think this is one up, A, little three-way pattern B, and then up again for C. So it looks like an A, B, C, a B. Now I think that we are very likely in a downtrend, which I would expect this downtrend to go down to one of these lower Fibonacci levels for that wave C. So that tells me that I should probably be looking for shorts on shorter time frames. Going down to the 1 hour time frame, now the question is it going to go up before it goes down, or is it just going to keep on trending? Definitely not a very big pullback right here, but it does look like three waves. So these type of situations we have to be a little bit careful because it could just be a little ABC correction for a wave 2, and it potentially could just keep on going from here in a wave 3 of wave C. But sometimes what you get is you get like impulsive up wave A, and this actually ends up being 1, 2, 3 down wave B. Then it goes up and makes a bigger push up for a wave C, and then it continues back down. So if it does start to push up, then this bigger ABC scenario is probably what's going to happen. If it just keeps on pushing down from here, then hopefully you're already in a short and you're just enjoying the profits. Either scenario, I'm pretty sure that we have to go down and make a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 of wave C, like what I was showing on the higher time frames. So don't forget to join my free Discord channel, which is linked over here in the corner. And as always, thank you and happy trading.